Hello and welcome to QRS Music Technologies tutorials. Today we will teach you how to safely set up and install your QRS driver boards. You will need a toothpick, a Sharpie, a marking device, a saw, and a file. Gently unroll your smart driver boards and verify that there are 5 boards. Carefully remove the boards from the packaging, taking care not to damage the fragile driver boards. Aggressive removal can damage the connector pins on the board. Label your boards 1 to 5 using a Sharpie. Locate the dip switches. With the white square at the top of the board, they will be beneath the longest set of cable connector pins. Verify that all dip switches are in the off position. With the dip switch panel at the bottom of the board, they should be flipped to the left. With your toothpick, carefully flip the corresponding dip switches from left to right. Each board requires a different dip switch setup. Please refer to your installation manual pages 38 and 39 for further instructions and clarification. Remove the driver board chassis from the packaging and insert the boards in number order from 1 to 5. Boards should be completely flat and in the top position. Using the number 4 and 5 boards to measure the last chassis, leave a 1 to 2 inch gap between boards. Mark the end of the number 5 board with your marking device, and mark the section to be removed with an X. Remove boards from the chassis and cut off the marked section. When clamping your chassis for cutting, do not clamp with force, as this may bend the chassis. After cutting, remove sharp edges and burrs using a file. If desired, color in the end using a Sharpie or a paint pen. Reinsert the driver boards into the chassis in number order and install them on the piano. Plug the black end of the power cable into driver port B on the processor. Locate the first connector closest to the processor. Plug it into port number 1 with the keyed connector pointed towards the back of the connector. Plug all of the connectors into the driver boards in numerical order, 1 being the closest to the processor and number 5 being the cable's end. After you have completed the rest of your installation and have powered on and logged into your system, you must now follow these steps to program your smart driver boards. In the app, begin at the home screen and select System Setup, Performance Setup, Playback Parameters, and scroll down to Smart Driver Boards. Select the 80-note option. Your player system's voice prompts will tell you that an update is in progress and when it is complete. You will also get visual confirmation in the app. If you get a message that indicates 1 or more driver boards have failed to program, power down your system and make sure that the dip switches are set correctly. If the problem persists, call QRS at 800-247-6557 and request technical support.